Today we want to tell you our exact net worth numbers and go over our assets, debts, and progress towards financial independence as of August 2020. Our net worth for August 2020 is... Welcome back to the Millennial on Fire channel, where we talk personal finance, wealth building, and share details about our journey towards financial independence. If you are new here, me and my wife are middle-class Americans with no kids working towards financial independence. Our initial goal is to have an accumulated net worth of $1 million by 2026. If you are interested in following our journey, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. It's totally free to do and it's the easiest way to support us. In this series, we are going to give you all the details of our financial accounts and every aspect that is important when working towards financial independence. This video is the first of a 3-part video series including our net worth, passive income, and savings through our anti-budgeting methods. These videos will come out every Wednesday, so if you want to check those out, make sure you subscribe. In today's video, we're going to look at our overall net worth, our assets, debts, we will reflect on why we're seeing these numbers compared to last month, and our upcoming goals and progress towards financial independence. We started our FIRE journey in 2016, and we started tracking our progress to financial independence through our net worth. Our net worth calculator dates back to January 2017. If you haven't started tracking your net worth, I would definitely consider it. We built our own spreadsheet to track our progress, and we love how user-friendly it is. With a few manual inputs, the rest of the work is done through automatic calculations, and it's a great way to visualize our progress over time so we can stay motivated. Net worth is a measurement to gauge your financial health and determines where you stand on your financial goals. It is all of your assets minus your liabilities, or another way of saying it is your net worth is everything you own minus everything you owe. In our opinion, net worth is the single best indicator to keep tabs on your financial well-being, and it also encourages you to think critically about your financial situation. So now we want to talk about what we include in our net worth. Included in our assets is the value of our home for the price that we paid for it. This is opposed to the market value. We do this because we don't know exactly how much someone will actually pay for it yet. However, as of this week, our house value is up $90,000. Also included in our assets are all of the account balances. So this includes our emergency fund, checking and savings accounts, Roth IRAs, 401ks, and our brokerage account focused on dividend growth investing. There are a few assets that we do not include though. Things we exclude are cars and other physical household items like clothing and appliances. Looking back to last month, July 2020, our net worth was $188,399. Our net worth as of August 2020 is $203,663. We hit the $200,000 net worth milestone, which we're very excited about. This is a 8.1% increase from last month in our net worth. This is largely due to the continued rise in the overall stock market and our continued high savings rate, which is roughly 50% of our income. Stay tuned for our savings and anti-budgeting video to see exactly where all of our money went into each individual account. We feel great about our numbers this month. We bought a 2006 Ford Econoline van this month that we are planning to convert into a low-budget stealth camper van. We are trying to do this with as many modern upgrades as possible with the lowest price tag we can find. If you are interested in seeing the budget for the van, let me know in the comments and we'll do a video about it. So, we were able to cash flow the van and still have a significant increase to our overall net worth, so we are very excited about this news. It is great knowing that our net worth is over $200,000, even though we spent money on a van to purchase it. As you can see here, we are ahead of schedule on our projection numbers, so we will see where that number lands at the end of 2020. So let's do a breakdown of our overall net worth. In the assets column, our assets were $340,854. This is the total sum of any assets we report on this spreadsheet. We plug our asset number into our net worth spreadsheet that you see here, and we have been consistent in our contributions to our retirement accounts and other investments accounts, so we expect to see this steady increase in our assets. We want to demonstrate the value of always paying yourself first. These numbers will only continue to increase at a quicker rate the more that you have invested, because compounding interest is working for us, as well as consistency of reinvesting dividends are all tools that we use to help reach our financial independence goals. We are having our money work for us, so eventually we don't have to work for our money. Now let's look at our debts. In our debts, we include whatever the balance is on our credit cards and our mortgage. We pay off our credit cards every 2 weeks, but we still throw whatever number is on the balance because they are not always at zero when we are updating our spreadsheet. So really, the only major debt we have is our mortgage on our home. As of August 31st, 2020, we owe $137,191 in total debts. Of that, the majority of the debt is our mortgage. So looking at the other columns, we can also see a few more calculations like total change in dollars, change in percentages, and these are all updated automatically on our spreadsheet. So our net worth increased a total of $15,264. That is crazy to think about. And that is an 8.1% increase from last month. We definitely do not make $15,000 per month from our jobs. A lot of this comes from the growth in the market from our invested accounts. So our first major milestone towards financial independence is a total net worth of $1 million, and our goal is to reach it by 2026. We really don't know what life will look like for us after that, but we feel that having a net worth of $1 million is a pretty safe number to be flexible and at least have options for our future. Most of our portfolio is invested, so anything can happen, but consistently paying ourselves, building up our passive income through dividends, and being knowledgeable on the biggest and best tax benefits are just a few of the tools we are using to be successful in our financial journey. As of now, we have $203,663 in net worth, which is 20.39% of our $1 million goal. Our 2020 goal is to have a net worth of $220,000, so make sure to subscribe to see if we get there. So please check back next month to see where we are, and keep an eye out for our spending and passive income videos coming out in the next few weeks. Plus, we have a few projects we are working on that we are excited to share. So what is your net worth for August 2020? Tell us below in the comments, and please subscribe to our channel for more content and net worth updates. As always, thanks for watching.